Hello friends, welcome to Flick Tales. Today I'm gonna share with you story of movie The Wolf and the Lion. It is a family film released in 2021. Movie starts with the girl Alma sitting in a music class practicing piano for her upcoming competition. She then leaves for her childhood home in Canadian wilderness in the forest island after losing her grandfather, where a person named Joe receives her. Now that private island and home belongs to Alma. Joe handovers her the video of her grandfather. Now the scene shifts to Africa, where Lioness is killed and her cub is sent to the circus by plane. Alma now goes through her grandfather's video, where she is told that he had recently befriended a snow wolf. Due to unpleasant weather conditions, the plane of the lion cub got crashed in Alma's island. The next morning, when she went out for a walk, she came across a trapped snow wolf who was trapped by two scientists, Eli Hammond and his colleague. Alma presents her grandfather's jacket in front of she-wolf so that she can trust Alma. Alma sets her free. She kept on roaming and the lion cub falls into her hand when a bald eagle knocks it out of the nest it fell into during the crash. So she takes him home. At the same time, female wolf comes to find refuge in Alma's house with her pup when she is pursued by two scientists. Alma now decides not to hand over lion cub to forest rangers because her grandfather campaigned against the mistreatment of animals in circuses. Now the lion cub and the wolf pup live like brothers. They play together and both are kept well fed thanks to the she-wolf. But while Alma is off on a 2-day trip involving a classic music audition for the Los Angeles Philharmonic Orchestra, the wolf mother disappears. It turns out that she was hit by a tranquilizer dart fired by one of the two scientists, both of them wishing to transfer her to a breeding facility for the endangered wolf species. This leaves Alma the only one available to raise and protect the cubs. While the three of them lives in peace for a year or two, during that time she names the lion cub Dreamer and the wolf pup Mozart. Now Alma's uncle asks her to be in contact with him on a regular basis to tell him whether she is fine or not. One day, a little girl and her mother came across the island. Dreamer and Mozart started running towards them. Alma thought they are going to harm those ladies, so she ran to stop lion and wolf and met with accident, causing a confusion. Uncle Joe was now not able to contact her. The two animals tried to wake Alma up and then sat near her. Joe now informed the authorities in order to save her. Mozart gets reunited with his mother at the rescue facility, where the two zoologists hope he'll breed with the available younger females as soon as possible. Meanwhile, the lion trainer of the circus who bought Dreamer begins showing his classic music-loving son Rafa how to show a lion who is boss. The brutal methods demonstrated visibly horrifying the boy. In the meantime, Alma has left the hospital where she had been recovering from a concussion, and with Joe's help, she begins tracking down which particular circus bought Dreamer and also calls Eli Hammond regarding Wolf Mozart. The circus in question eventually passes by the wolf breeding facility, allowing Mozart to catch his foster brother's scent. Mozart therefore escapes that very night by digging a tunnel under the mesh wire fence. Upon discovering this, Eli Hammond has to apologize to Alma for their earlier misunderstandings in order to get her help in tracking Mozart, by which point Mozart has miraculously liberated Dreamer, allowing the two of them to head back towards Alma's island. Unfortunately, their journey does not go unnoticed, and the police soon receives multiple phone calls about two dangerous animals. Now Rafa's dad again tries to catch Dreamer by hitting him with a drug dart, but Mozart somehow manages to protect Dreamer, causing him to get those darts on himself. Rafa, being an animal lover, removes those darts from Mozart and takes his tracking device along with him. Alma and Eli, following those tracking device, reaches to Rafa and his dad. With Rafa's help, Alma and Eli track down Mozart and Dreamer not far from the child-sized log cabin where Alma used to play as a little girl. Rafa's dad tries to take Dreamer on gunpoint, but Rafa tries to dissuade him just before a police team arrives on the scene. Alma takes Dreamer and Mozart through a secret tunnel from the playhouse to a certain hollow tree. From there, she and Mozart swim to the island, but without Dreamer, who wanders off to divert the police team's attention. Now Alma hears a gunshots, making her to think that Dreamer is killed. Tense moments later, however, it is revealed that Dreamer managed to outwit his hunters. The movie ends with Alma performing an outdoor concert for the benefit of abused captive wild animals, while Mozart and Dreamer play together in the nearby woods. A perfect visual example of both mutual interspecies tolerance and, ironically, what can happen when mankind forces two geographically separated species together by taking them out of their rightful natural environments in the first place. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such videos.